like these cord ends, you can cut these off and send them in. They're like, they were 65, 70 cents a pound at one time. All that ain't gonna be pretty up there. It's just back here. Holy man, I need two of you when we're doing work. Oh, I got a cord for something else here. Let's try that one this time. I got it that time. Then my sinuses were acting up on the way here, and I'm sneezing. You know how you get one of those sneeze attacks? I'm like, man, I hope I get done sneezing before this dude sees me. Gonna think I had the Karuka. That's fine. They come apart. I need room for boxes right there. I'll just open the corner. Recycling ain't gonna be nice to it. Yeah, these aren't really mid-grade board. Yeah, I'll still tear them apart. Yeah, everything here is worth something. It's just ain't a whole lot. Yeah, well, that's the best kind, you know. You gotta work for it, you gotta work for it, you know. You're already getting it free, why not put in a little extra effort? I don't know what's in here. Oops. Down a little bit. Oops. Now the boat trailer, you said it's bigger than that? The boat, I might be able to use it. It should be. Bill of sale.
Not even a bill of sale. You should go to the DPS and get a homemade boat.
Oh, I got you.
That's what I had to do on this one. This boat never had a pipe.
How's everybody doing? In this video we picked up some free e-waste. I'll show you the ad. We got it off Facebook Marketplace. And we're going to see how much money we can make off of it. Little competition involved, y'all. Stay tuned.
I mean, last time I think ours was like 140 or 50.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, I got like a lot to get done first, so don't even trip on that. Alright, what do we got here? VIP 222K. Direct TV box. Yep. Let's get our little card out. And let's go for the gold here. This is a time-consuming scrap, you guys. So enjoy. That's all I can tell you. And no, I'm not going to run power tools. It's early in the morning. The neighbors are sleeping. It's not early. It's 10. But let's face it, this is a vacation spot. That's what it's supposed to be, anyway. So, this guy needs some more coffee. That's what I know. This guy needs some more coffee. Let me bring it down a little bit better. This is the power supply on him. It's kind of weak. I will do one with a hard drive, one without a hard drive, etc. Okay? Sometimes these things like to be a pain. Yep, and that's pretty much it. But, you know, 10, 12 cents a pound, whatever they're paying now. Let's finish this one up. It's already taking too long. Save that one. See if I can close it. There's the goodies. Now it's got a Broadcom chip in it. Those are decent. I mean, they're not the bomb or nothing. They're decent. But the only thing I take from these is that transformer. I'll pop a few of the capacitors off because of the price I get. They want less weight. Of course, man. They want to make their money. I get it. You know? Makes sense. It's all about that almighty dollar. Almighty dollar. Man, let me snip this right. Might as well get it right while we're doing it, huh? Yep, brass. Better believe I take it. Into the wire, pal. And 20 more screws. Awesome. I'll get the screw gun out later. Middle of the day. I mean, there's all kind of stuff and goodies you can get off of these, but I don't nitpick them. I empty them, I turn them, and I burn them. It's all about getting it and going on to the next one. And like Project Shop Florida tell you, have something lined up for the next time. It's the only way you're going to survive in scrap game. I was supposed to go pick up 2 pallets of computers I passed on because I have to go hit some transformers up. It might end up sliding in there, you know. 2 pallets of computers. This was 1 pallet right here, and I knocked out a bunch already. I did about 60 of these small boys last night, not these guys. These guys. There's 2 different sizes in here, but they're all gonna go as the same board. I knocked out, I don't know, it's probably more than 60. I'm just saying 60 so I don't, you know, lie about it. Get this guy off. Nope, not saving it. I'll save this part since it actually ripped on me. Someone can pull the pins that wants that. Turn and burn, you guys. Turn and burn. Come on. I better go get some more coffee in me so I can have a legitimate scrap out with you guys. And that's all she wrote right there on this one without a hard drive. Yeah. Generally by this time I just start in the pile. It's all coming off. It's 10 shredded any damn way. Oh well, whatever. Alright, so let's get this guy off here. Daddy is tired. Okay. Anybody don't know? This is iron ferrite. Crumbles. Alright? I just pile them up until I get a bunch and I sit them on the concrete and I beat the shit out of them with one of these. It's only a 2.5 pounder. I always joke about needing a bigger hammer. I got some. I just like to use certain things. And this guy's done. He's going there in the pile. So we're thinking about renting a shop. My dilemma on that is we want to move as well. Grab a piece of property somewhere. We already have an RV, you know, to hang out in until I get everything situated. But rent this little shop. It's $200 a month. It's not bad. It's as big as this little area right here, with the RV included. It'll be big enough to store multiple loads of scrap. So let me tell you, this is iron ferrite, you guys. What that means is there's iron in it. So that goes in a 10-shred pile, straight up. Piece of copper on the ground. You better believe I'll stop and pick that up. The smallest pieces, all kind of them. So I need a shop to sweep this stuff up. Copper number 2. We're back at it. Let me get this one going on here. 3 inside screws, or 4, whatever they are. Roe Mantic don't do that counting stuff right at the moment. He's sleepy. Come here, Rick. Time for a new screwdriver. Time for new everything. Be nice if we got a little stimmy like everybody else. Maybe we'll get a tax return and I'll go buy some tools. Maybe. Didn't get one last year. Let's fucking do what that is. Whatever, right? Oh, but Roe, you made too much. Listen, I'm a scrapper. I did not make too much. I got 3 kids. You know, she has 2 kids and I have 1 kid with her. That equals 3, guys. Power supply. So, with all that being said, now out the way and off my chest, I'm debating on whether to go get this spot, rent it out, and do my thing in there. It'd be indoors, it'd be private. Excuse me. Trying to figure out, weigh my options if they want to spend $200 a month. I make that 1 trip a week. I make several trips a week, so the 1 trip is going to be the 200. But do I want to spend that 1 trip on some storage? That's my question, you know? It's a hard question. I don't know. Leave your comments below. Tell me what to do. Give me your advice, I should say. Because no one's going to tell me what to do. Well, I'm going to do me. But if you would like to leave some input, that would be awesome. That's what I'm getting at. Let's get this hard drive out of here. This big 320 or 160. That's how you know someone's probably out there saying, I can't believe you're scrapping those out, man. Those could be for resale. Let me tell you something, people. if this ain't 2 terabytes or more, there is no resale value whatsoever. 0. And I guarantee you it's not. Look at that board. It's almost a waste taking it out. But we get money for them boards. You know, I haven't sent a board sort box out in a while. Haven't really been piling a lot of e-waste up. Been doing mostly just non-ferrous scrap. I have a whole box and a whole box over there from the plumbing dumpster that I haven't even touched yet. Just trying to knock these out and get them out the way, so we can move along. You get what I'm saying? If I can get these out the way, take a 10 shred in, get it out the way, then I can move on to the next little debacle or whatever Roe wants to have going on, you know? I don't need that screw that bad. is it anyway? Whoa, 500. We'll break the bank. Those aren't worth dick. Period. Not worth the hard drive they were printed on. I guarantee it. Back in the day, that was the bomb. You know, but we're not back in the day. We're in the now times where if you don't have a terabyte or more, it's just questionable. Man, I got terabyte on an M.2 just for a startup, just for a startup for the PC inside. Look at that. Don't even gotta cut them. That's what I like. I can cut that in, but they can have it. Open your mouth. Oh yeah, let me show you something cute. Here. Alright. This is the Dish VIP 622 DVR. Digital video recorder. This one looks a little bit older. Low grade board. Whoop whoop. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what this hard drive is real quick. I'll try to be a bit more gentler with this one, I guess. I said that and I ripped it out. I don't care. 10 shred. Look at that. That's a big juicy. Big juicy. Let's see what we're working with. Show me what you're working with. Watch it be like a 160. Yeah, I can't do nothing with anything under a terabyte, guys. Take the boards off and recycle them. That's the best I can do. You know? Been at this for 2 hours. Almost, anyway. And we have 320. Woo! Big baby. Big baby. Yep. Recycle. Alright, let me get a couple more of these little things going on here, and then it'll be lunchtime. Lunch is here. Ooh, Philly cheesesteak. So, let me eat my sandwich, and then when we come back, we'll do more of these. Got a whole box of them. Yeah, just a couple. So, let me eat lunch, we'll get on that. I've got a nice boss. Heck yeah. Thanks, boss. So, these are neat. Dish Network. It's a box. These are cool. It's just... I've been doing all this by hand, y'all. All of it. This here is a box of 36 right now. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Nope. Whatever equals 40. I didn't count them as I went. I'll tell you that. There ain't a whole lot on that board, man. Not really. A couple oscillators. Y'all know what they are. Flat pack. Whatever. Whole bunch. Ooh, looky there, some. Good stuff. MLCCs. Oh yeah, we're gonna fill this up probably. So let's do 2 of those, 2 of these, 1 of these guys. Let's see what we got left. Got all that done right there. It's pretty much the same thing repetitively. We got all this free. I'll show you the ad somewhere. Maybe I'll show you at the beginning of the video. Whole pallet, but it was a big pallet, y'all. Big pallet. I'll take me some satellite boxes. Believe that. $1.40, $1.50 a pound. There's probably like 60, 70 pound right there. Let's call it 50 or 60 right there, huh? I don't want myself to sound too extravagant. Trying to get y'all a good view. And that's all she wrote. Let's do one of these guys here. These guys here are a little bit different. Same thing though. 4 screws. Grab it from the side. Pop it like it's hot. And they want the heat sink off, which is crazy, and I'll show you why. I'll try to be gentle with this one. Oh, ain't no gentleness about this. The whole chip comes off. So guess what? I get to keep it. Yep. And sometimes when you pull that off, you'll see the gold bond wires ripping out of the board. It's probably copper, but you know, whatever. Oh, that goes in that pile. Let's do one more of the itty bitties, and then we'll get this gigantic one. Well, it's not gigantic, but you know, it's a tower one. E-waste is fun, you know. I don't use power tools though, not on e-waste. Cheap Chinese snip still going. Oh, looks like I get another chip. Awesome. I got a mountain of these, y'all. Probably did like 60 of these. Alright, let's open one of these, crack open one of these big guys here. Gotta get a different, I think it's this one. We'll see. We'll find out right now. Oh, Roe grabbed the right one for a change. And I put it back in the wrong spot too. This one there. And as usual, 4. 4-sided mess. Yep. Hope everybody's out there is doing okay. Hope you are going to have a pleasant weekend. That would be awesome. You know, undistracted weekends are great. Now the opposite side, of course the wind would blow. The opposite side of the inlet, like this and like that, and one on the board there. Hurt my chest on that one. Little power board here. Nothing spectacular about them, man. They're just there. Hey, these aren't power supplies. Earlier I was tired and I went back and watched the video. I can't believe I called them power supplies. These are like a video processing unit. Here, I'll show you. I know I'm interrupting what we're doing, but that's okay. Do I have to pop the other? Yeah, son of a beanstalk. See if I can get it with this screwdriver. I like changing the tips. There we go. It's 87 degrees. My sinuses are hating my guts, along with many other things in life. So there you have it right there, man. Nothing spectacular. Nice little board. A couple of oscillators right there. So this will probably go in with that. I'll probably just take these tops off and send them in. Take the metal off, take the board off, send them in with that stuff. Why not? Why wouldn't I? $1.10 a pound, or $1. I can't remember if you said $1.30, $1.40. It's on the phone call. I'll put a little bit of it in the video. You know, we know each other. I've been dealing with this guy for a while. So when I call, I can call from a different number and he'll know who it is. Boom, shellac, black, boom. I don't have to take none of these off, but we'll look. Maybe we'll look. And I gotta take this guy off. So he's not real big on the heat sinks for some reason. I'll take the extruded out. Check this one out. Wham, sucker. Nice. Broadcom. Sweet. In the pile. Alright, let me wrap this up, man. We did 2 of those and 1 of those. 2 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. Ended up with all these 500 gigabyte hard drives. I can't do nothing with. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All these boards. We got transformers under all this cat wire. You know, a good amount of transformers down there. Y'all saw me pulling one of those off. Some wire. Bunch of tin shred. Let me get these last few finished up and I'll holler at you. Bonus footage. I forgot I had this box from the plumbing dumpster in the back of the truck. It's not all brass, but there's brass in there. Street copper's favorite, the ferrule. A little bit of copper I can chop up. Some more brass. Look at that big old chunk of steel. Yeah. Copper. Brass. And just a whole bunch of goodies. This was before I went and picked up this e-waste. I said, man, we're over here, let's get in the dumpster. Some more brass. Some more brass. That's probably steel. So yeah, our next run, I'm going to finish cleaning this up and separate this out and get the chips off of there. We're going to clean those up, take that wire, get that brass in. It ain't a whole lot. I've already cashed up once this week. These, those, this tin shred, I'll chop this up. What else we got? It's pretty much it laying around, huh? I gotta get this crap out of here. We'll cash that in. We'll have a little contest about it. I'll tell you about it here in 1 minute. Stuck around this long, you might as well win something, right? Bam. It's not as heavy as you would think. I'll help you out on that little guess. Taking some brass, a little bit of copper, and that wire. And like I showed you, I got a little bucket full of goodies here. We'll get this cleaned up and that cleaned up. We'll get the tickets. We'll let this contest run for a couple days. I'm thinking the person that comes the closest gets 20 bucks, Cash App or PayPal, or I'm gonna send you a gift card. Get over it. Or if you hit it spot on the nose, I'm gonna split it with you, because I'm that type of guy. I'm ignorant like that. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. Hit that algo